Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I will be showing you how to get fake acrylic nails at home. This video is my most requested video, so let's begin. Start with trimming the nails to the shortest length possible. Now taking the fake acrylic nails and take the right size that fits perfectly to your natural nail. Now I'm taking this Miss Claire nail glue and firstly I'm applying that nail glue on the fake acrylic nails and then I'm applying that on my natural nails. And now I'm placing the fake acrylic nails over my natural nails and I'm going to hold this for 5 to 6 seconds. Now I'm going to cut the fake acrylic nails little bit shorter. I really love boxy nails, so that's why I'm going to keep that short. And now I'm going to shape them. And for nail paints, I will be using these two nail paints. This is the Color Bar Unicorn Fantasy Nail Lacquer and this is in the shade Violet. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this. Next, I'm going to apply this Nika nail polish in the shade Silver Snow. I'm also going to apply 2 coats of this. So guys, that's it for today's video. This is how you can get fake acrylic nails at home. And these nails stays for 1 week and if you want you can reuse it. This is a very affordable option and if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.